Round it.
Hey, love is everything.
Welcome to our room in Cancun, Mexico. Come on in. To the left, we have an amazing bathroom with super cute showers. We have a double sink because we need that always. And then the toilet, your phone is running. So we got some cute closets. I really like the decor and like of the room. It's super cute. I'm very organized, so suitcases in the closet. They give us bathrobes. We have an iron, an ironing board. We have on this side, of course, the safe. And our jackets we hung up. They gave us an extra blanket and an extra pillow, which is nice. The light features are super cute, but they actually have a control system that you can put your room key in, and if you take the room key out, everything shuts down, everything turns off. If the room key is in, you can operate everything, so it's really cool. So right here, this might be my favorite part. They gave us our own bar. They gave us, literally, these are 7-liter bottles, I think. Yeah, these are liters. So we have, I feel like this is like Tito's. I don't know what this is. We have Bacardi and Smirnoff, and you can literally, like, you just lift it up. Wait. A whole shot. So a shot of glass. We gonna do half. Sean gonna have a heart attack. Come on. And then they actually stocked the fridge for us. Have a few stuff. We have our water because you know we can't brush our teeth. We can't drink the water, so they have us with some water, which is nice. So they actually upgraded us to this room because we had a better view. So this room has 2 full-size beds, but they're actually gonna put them together and make them a bigger bed. So that's cute. She just hasn't came yet. We have a mirror. We have TV. We have a little couch. And then we have a balcony with a beautiful view. So come see. Get your sunglasses. So this is our resort. We're actually gonna go down, we're actually gonna get something to eat because we haven't ate as yet. Look, they're actually parasailing on the beach right now. But they're parasailing on the beach. We have a water park over here. And then we're gonna go eat and get turned and have a good time. So that's basically our room. There's definitely gonna be more videos. Y'all know I'm gonna put y'all onto the fence, all of that good stuff. But let's go, because I'm hungry. All right. Ooh. Ooh.